Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adwa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification and some e koso abi obenye biati and aso obenye bia share ewo GCN page ha. Felix apia eye Ghana ni badis yote abrochri. Na oye NPP ni oye program awatu ni din political zone ewo Facebook. Na Felix say send your NDC for propaganda eyo mude a omo kasa omo ni fact bia omo ni evidence bia no omo kasa no enya de on do betina ho ahwedin se NDC amayokuro no ebeye propaganda sa de ase Ghana fa adweno mo ato abede ama no ento no de owo facts ewo evidence obetina Facebook ne oyo program na ene nsem de okebi pa o kire se o makwan na obia emfa NPP party no nanim entwitwi fem afenso his excellency Nanado Akofu Addo eye ne papa enti wo a wo be ka nanado no ene na wa aka no de obe yo no wankasa ompe ene na sei odwagu kwame plus ne fi papa pa odi ni dwuma nya asem keto akra na Felix na okase ne sema okenya ne se aho his excellency Nanado Akofu Addo why Ghana for den why Ghana for den ena Ghana for bi empe papa ya se mo mu di nani sa Felix say yankopon a ode president oyi Nanado so o meye president e wo Ghana hanoma en Kenya dia Nanado president no betu ye di ne we di ye kura because Ghana fu bi empenasem na Felix say ontiase krojun ho inyeye adenti na Ghana fu bi echi Nanado sa ne MP so ne omu ye adwuma no ne ministers no chese enkrofo Nanado be appoint omu so omu mboa ni na enya de omu boa no ene na no 2020 abato ye tu yes say eye troka because NPC no omo anyo mo adwuma ye ne communicators omo nyade omo communicate ye ukọ parliament house haso a koso a omo etwe Nanado Felix say ohun ade Nanado de aye Ghana for potenti a omo empenasem no ne de etwa ne nsumu kra eya Akofu Santana a oye adwuma e wo despite media omo appoint ne say eye COVID-19 trust fund omo ate no board members no ko ho ache se no do ntiase na adofonya Felix nkwa no ntiase eyo mo appoint Akofu Santana se onko ka ho no Ghana fo MPP youth no mo te ya mo etikokum apai anything omo eche se Akofu Santana eye NDC ni oye NDC ni pa na no abato ye betu kura oye campaign ede ema omanpeni dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama se Ghana fo nto abema no aye nenim se Akofu Santana ye NDC ni nti aba ne sen ena MPP wo power mukoyi Akofu Santana so meboa na one na Nanado me adwuma na mo akasase mo amoken eye mamo enya de Akofu Santana obo beboa obeba beye kokwasa sase ne be yo mekase na Nanado na membu no enkoyi na Felix se asem no ne ye papa ene MPP youth ni bebre akasa o mo chese o mo ntiase because NPP party no omo ye adwuma din ansa na omo eba power na enkrofo bi ti say Ejako Dana Samoa Prince David Osei enkrofo bebro mo ye campaign ede ema NPP party no omo wo ho sami ni mu ina wo ho adenti ena mo mfase enkrofo bi emfa omo enkoka board no mo nyo mo nya adwuma na mo ko appoint Akofu Santana a Ghana fo ni so ye ndisi fo aden mo pese mo gigi na Nanado kwa na do fo ye ntie ensema Felix ede etudwa
represent your company. Ye wadie ni na ho kwan papa. Mr. Sapon, ye will be bia ho kwan. But ye ni na ene fata yen. Wuti wey. Untumi nka nkyere me say despite media. Presenters ye wo ho. Workers ye wo ho. Womu ni na hu bia na se hu independent bi. Hu MPP ni, hu independent bi oye adwuma wo ho. Anase obi kura won to aba anase obi kura to aba ma akuadonko. Somebody like Adaka Brefrimpong or yeah, Jumama despite media, Nameboa. Adaka Brefrimpong was supposed to be a running mate for Ekuyadonko. Why is all these people? Ewoho, Nelson Mr. KK Sapon went to me and choose Suomu Bia, Nembo Mubakofa wo Bia, winning pefe, Samudin Dim Betwa Bontia, a the problem ebeba MPP. Why do you guys do this? Papa, why do you people do this? Unim pefe se onipa wodi ni bedi se adwuma we no where Gina simpie so aye campaign, aye video, atonjom, abo concert, and they are support to one candidate who is in opposition, doing and planning and trying everything they can to destroy Nana Addo. Then you go and give him such a key. We have celebrities in MPP. We have superstars in MPP. We have Samini, who even just did a song for MPP. He still looks good. He still is appealing. He is still knowledgeable. And, you know, what would have stopped Mr. KK Sapon from even appointing somebody like a Kwabena, or even appointing somebody like, what? Vimle Dimpo, because only there sometimes no can actually throw be bad. Into there, let's find somebody and cover problem number. But you rather go and select somebody, a well-known NDC, somebody who has stood on a platform to discredit the effort of the president in this fight to this whole problem, this whole pandemic, where Gina platform so I criticize the president to say MPP are buying any shit. Na yakote trust funder eja eba ne sen and despite media just said that na ya wasare chairman general one na mami ya kuna do adwa ya bu eje just say you people have so many ago ne hwanum eja ko omuni na yi your friend is saying double num just say there are so many people we have. Doctor, these are people you call to do commercial for you to make your company money. But you don't find them worthy on sitting on such a board. But you rather go bring somebody that you know very well, because to me can't say you didn't know this would arise. Knowing very well the job Abeku Santana has done against MPP. Now who choose to be out of despite emanene government abeye juma. Wosi wonipa wonunya government na said wobebo nituo no wono. Look at the name Dan Kweku Yeboah. So what you say Dan Kweku Yeboah. There are so many brilliant people. Diana Samoa because board no so keke no mo kwatena. Abeku okwo ho no won kwasensan ya yibia board no so keke no mo kwatena kire wadwene keke no kwatena. Nti Mr. Sapon Nana Addo why am den? I just want to know, what has Nana Addo done to people? Like Nana Addo, Akofu Addo, Papa no why am den? Hey, ono ane Flagstaff force fu miano. Hey, ono ane communicators ba na ebu ni kom. Hey, ono ane MPC nkoye campaign na yesi yenye. Hey, ono ane just say, oh my God, man, Nana presidency won. Enye nyame na de man wanka, I don't think Sanka bit me stand it. Hey, mobo. Just say, Obia agenda, Obia orchestration has to be against Nana Addo. Me pacho, NDC MPP. Obi o Ghana. Oto aba won to aba. Me sremo. Asem we, munyima no, me pacho. Nana Akofu Addo. Ghana ni ben sika. Ene ye de tete Nana Akofu Addo anase ye de train school. Anase Nana Akofu Addo. Ghana ni ben ene de no ko international school de university man tu kwan mentia se. O papa mi amana medi ade ancho. Se no. O papa be di ade no so be di ade no ene ha mo. O papa ni mu no wendi ade anche. Ene busua no mu wosika dada. Enti sika ben. Nanso ya de aban sika ya de government sika tu omo ka wo de ahwe wo mba school e we brochire ahwe wo mba school ada outside ya and then wo mba no aba be ye den aba be ye MPs e be ye ministers e bi be running for flag bearers. Yes, Akofu Addo why am den? Akofu Addo just say dinu na yo say din just say obu Akofu Addo pe akola bia say so far as obedi di na tem de yenko di na tem na ya so wunya party for Roski, what makes Nana Addo a wicked man? Can you write one thing that made Nana Addo a wicked man for me, please? Please, I just want one word. Just one thing that Nana Addo did that is wicked. Please don't just say wicked and then go. Why? Chiremu, I will give you the platform. What makes Nana Addo wicked? Please just tell me, and I would also come in. Sorry, I would also come in. Why you cry my magba? But anyways, put that on the side. But maintain the hatred, Nasi. Yeah, kote board. Hey, Prince David say, why? Who don't we have? Then Mr. Sapon Ako say on a dear on tea said dogo be no abe sikana ba abeku santana nkwa ye che despite media abeku santana nkwa na wenim dia ono nkwa na ne ho ofe ono nkwa na ne sigire dem ono nkwa na wasu ade do akire so ono nkwa na betumi atena board no so. When you know what that can cause into a party like NPP, especially now why you need to 12 years after this 2020 election. And then we keep on pushing the agenda. We keep on pushing the agenda. United Showbiz nearby, yes, a buka or ne buhen, Munko did in another attempt. O my ye kumu crom person be did in a tem crano, or some more fire, no more fire, anado, name de. Sister Nanama wa bwene nimpons kama wechine nim kama shana tade kama not to a bull into say what cut the end. Oh, Nanado ya kwasia, Nanado yourself, Nanado ya didi Nanado atemusa. Kwame, catch me, A+, Kwame, into say no. What's the young thing? No, so I started. Buying Jimmy, ministers, not Jimmy. This is what we are turning into. People that are supposed to know. I'll say, during the registration of voters' ID card, if you know the way, so just beat us.